Hello guys, review smartphone Tecno Spark 9 Pro. This version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay. Talk about completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable on this. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED. On the front side display 6.6 inch. Upside without controls. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and home keys. Power key with fingerprint scanner. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. About system. We have Android 12 and iOS 8.6.0. Okay, close this. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT 6769, 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU Mali G52. Single core results and GPU test results. Look into the benchmark. Okay, close this and run the Madden game without soundtracks. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game works perfect, without lags and glitches. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.